Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog. In today's lesson, we're learning two essential words, yes and no in Tagalog. Let's start with yes. In Tagalog, yes is oo. Say it like this. Oo. It's just two open syllables. Oo. Now for no, we say hindi. Pronounce it as hindi. Say hindi. Let's say them again together. Repeat after me. Oo. Hindi. Here's a quick example. Gusto mo ba ng kape? Oo, gusto ko. Or, hindi, salamat. These two words are simple but powerful. You'll use them in conversations every day. Let's practice one more time. Say, oo. Hindi. Oo. Hindi. Great job! If this lesson helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple, beginner-friendly Tagalog lessons. Salamat and see you next time!